Alright, I've ran out of ideas, so, alright. A jungle puzzle game is an arcade that there's colors, and I have to avoid enemies. Let's go.
Alright, I started out by making a blue blob and then a border around the edge of the screen, and it picks a random position to spawn in it, and if it isn't touching the border, then it immediately dies. Then I made it go towards the cursor sometimes and just random places other times to make it a little bit more fair. Then I made a sprite for the mouse cursor, kind of. I made it invisible, and it just follows the mouse cursor around all the time, and if it's touching it, then you die.
Alright, so now I just have this, and the enemies spawn, and every so often they go towards you. So, the game is gonna be, at this point, you have to dodge these enemies while also trying to play a clicker game at the same time and try to get the highest score possible.
So here I made it so that when you click the button, a small animation plays and you gain score. Then I made a script that checks whether your score is bigger than the high score when you die, and if it is, it sets your score to the high score. Then I made the death screen.
Okay, so now I've made a game where you click the button, and these little blue blobs come after you, and you get score equal to the amount of blue blobs on the screen. And they kind of chase after you. Not completely, sometimes they just run around randomly. Sometimes they go after you directly. And you try to get as much score as you can. And when they touch you, you die. And if you get a new high score, then it shows new high score here. But if you touch one of them without getting a new high score and you lose, then it just says the blobs got you. Now I'm gonna go in and make a thumbnail for this game.
I decided to call the game Blobs and Buttons. I don't know where the idea came from, it just kind of happened.
Alright, so this is Blobs and Buttons. I made this game in just under an hour, and I think it turned out pretty good. These little dudes come try to attack you, and you try to earn as many points as you can before they finally touch you. It's pretty simple, but it's probably the best I can do in an hour. You can play it with the link in the description. I hope you enjoyed this episode, and I'll see you sometime soon, hopefully.